Look at this. Here's a simple prompt video, and here's a well-organized prompt video. You can see there's a huge difference. You've watched many videos from Minimax, but trust me, this session is one that's out of the box. So tighten your seatbelts. Want to bring your cinematic visions to life? Meet Minimax AI, the ultimate tool for creating stunning, AI-generated movies. Whether you're a filmmaker or an AI enthusiast, this tool will revolutionize how you create films. Get ready for the 2025 edition, the most cinematic AI movie generator ever. Watch how it's done in this exclusive demo. Let's dive into the future of movie making. I previously made a detailed video on Minimax AI, but now they've launched an exciting new feature, the image-to-video tool with advanced options called 12v1 Live. In this video, I will walk you through how to use this new feature and get the most cinematic results from Minimax AI. So, without wasting any more time, let's get started. This is easily achievable using the basic prompt formula. After many hours of research and incorporating my personal experience, I've designed this prompt specifically for you. Today, I'll be focusing on war movies. For this tutorial, I will generate 5 realistic images featuring Hollywood actors and actresses. Of course, feel free to adjust the prompt according to your preferences. Please consider that my tool can handle 290 to 300 words for the text-to-video prompt, so keep that in mind before writing. The formula to follow is simple. First, define the main subject of the video. Then, explain what action that person or subject is performing. Afterward, describe the camera motion, detailing how the camera moves or angles. Finally, provide a description of the color tones and overall cinematography to enter the image prompt of the video. So always take care about consistent character animations with subjects, supporting elements, movement, environments, camera work, color, and style. Give me prompts for each scene of this narration. If the object is shown from the back, also turn the body with its head, and if the object turns or moves back somewhere, maintain character consistency by ensuring its face remains unchanged. In inverted commas, please keep in your memory. I'm copying this entire prompt and pasting it into ChatGPT. Then pressing enter. ChatGPT will generate 5 text-to-video prompts. We will then use these prompts to create AI movies and videos. To generate the video from these texts, we'll be using Minimax AI. Click on the link in the video description to access the Minimax AI interface. Here, you will find options for both text-to-video and image-to-video. If you scroll down a bit, you will see some of the cinematic videos created by the community. These are short movie clips, and you can use them as inspiration for your own videos. Minimax AI, developed by AI, is an advanced tool designed to generate high-quality cinematic videos from text prompts and images. It offers a seamless experience for creating realistic animations and videos, making it a powerful tool for content creators. With its innovative features, Minimax AI allows users to bring their ideas to life through AI-driven video generation. Now, let's take a look at some of my own generated videos. These are the clips you saw at the beginning of this video, and you can notice the cinematic look and color grading in every single scene. Simply sign in to AI, go to the text-to-video section, copy the first prompt, paste it into the prompt box, and hit generate. Here is our first result. Here is the second prompt result. 2 soldiers, a beautiful female officer, and a rugged male soldier, navigate a muddy, waterlogged trench under a dark, tense sky. The female soldier, holding a map, peers around a corner, her face sharp and focused, while the male soldier checks his weapon. Soft lantern light casts shadows on their determined expressions, creating a striking contrast against the cold, debris-laden environment. A truly stellar performance by the subject, elevated by exceptional supporting elements. From fluid movements to immersive environments, masterful camera work, vibrant colors, and impeccable style, it's all flawless. Exceptional cinematic production, every detail is breathtaking, and I'm absolutely captivated by it. Here is the third prompt result. In a dramatic helicopter rescue, a beautiful Hollywood actress in military gear grips the edge of the chopper, pulling a handsome soldier to safety amidst a hostile cityscape. The camera zooms in on their determined faces as they share a silent, intense look, a masterful cinematic creation. It's nothing short of brilliant, and I adore everything about it. Here is the fourth prompt result. In a fog-filled forest during an intense battle, a beautiful soldier, rifle in hand, crouches behind a tree, scanning for enemies with focused determination. The seamless motion, stunning environments, creative camera angles, vibrant hues, and unique style make this a visual masterpiece. What an extraordinary piece of cinematic art! It's profoundly inspiring, and I genuinely love it. Here is the fifth prompt result. In a dimly lit urban environment, a beautiful, fearless female soldier moves stealthily through the streets at night. She turns to see a wounded but determined male soldier behind a car and rushes to his side with urgency and compassion in her eyes. The camera focuses on their intense interaction as she helps him up, their gaze locked. I personally believe that the Minimax text-to-video model outperforms all other AI video generation models. You can try Kling AI or other tools, and you may also explore videos generated using Vidu AI. However, after analyzing them, I'd encourage you to assess which AI text-to-video tool is truly the best. In my opinion, Halo AI stands as the best model for generating cinematic videos. Now, let's move on to the image-to-video process. For this, we need a cinematic classical war image. I'll head over to ChatGPT and provide a prompt to generate the image. Feel free to make further modifications to the prompt based on your preferences. I say to ChatGPT, now write 5 prompts on each type of Hollywood classical old war movies. I want a movie scene to generate from image to video to tool. I want the same high realistic result. To show a realistic human, a very beautiful Hollywood actress, woman sexy and fatty, and a handsome Hollywood actor, and should be very realistic. You can also add bold scenes. Give me image prompt, give me a 290-300 words prompt, and my AI tool can create 5-second video. So include these things in prompt. So always take care about consistent character animations with subjects, supporting elements, movement, environments, camera work, color, and style. Give me prompts for each scene of this narration. If the object is shown from the back, also turn the body with its head. And if the object turns or moves back somewhere, maintain character consistency by ensuring its face remains unchanged and hit enter. GPT provided us with 5 excellent prompts for classical movie scenes. I copied the image prompt and headed over to Piclumen, a free tool for generating images. I set Flux as the model, selected a 16:9 aspect ratio, and generated 4 images. After pasting the prompt in the box, I hit generate and Piclumen delivered 4 stunning images that I absolutely love. I downloaded and saved them to my device. Next, I went to Halo AI and navigated to the image to video section. I uploaded the first image I downloaded from Piclumen, then pasted the same prompt we generated through ChatGPT. After hitting generate, I was blown away by the result. The video came out beautifully. It was truly perfect. This is where most AI video generators tend to fall short. To be honest, many image-to-video generators struggle to deliver quality results. However, in this case, Halo AI has performed exceptionally well, and I couldn't be more impressed with the outcome. If we talk about the text-to-video option, it's definitely my favorite because, in my opinion, the Minimax AI text-to-video model performs far better than the image-to-video model. When compared to Kling AI, Luma AI, or Renway ML, the cinematic videos produced by Minimax AI are unmatched. These are some of the examples you're seeing on the screen, and just look at them. All of them are extremely well done. I found that Minimax Halo AI especially excels when it comes to classical war movie scenes. As for the pricing, it starts at $10 per month and can go up to $100, depending on your needs and the tasks you want to perform. However, if you're looking to try it without any cost, Minimax offers free credits on a daily basis, so you can give it a shot without paying a dime. You can find the link in the description below. I hope you found this method helpful. If you did, please give the video a like. By the way, I noticed in my analysis of Learnify AI that 90% of viewers haven't subscribed to the channel yet. So if you found this video useful, please consider subscribing and pressing the bell icon to stay updated on all our future content. It really helps the channel grow. If you're curious about Top Filmmaker shares the best free AI tools for talking characters in short movies, click on the video on the left. If you're ready to explore create AI movies like a pro with consistent characters, Free AI Tools 2025 edition, click on the video on the right. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Happy Learnify AI, goodbye.